Wow, just in time to get the plane.
We gonna clean in Parola. I was a little bit. There is a blood. Katuning na daw. Mami, chupit. Aray ko.
It's going to be a short one today. Okay. Here we go. I think we got it. Yeah, we got some log there. Well, what we need to do is to do a
Sahur.
They don't want to clean it. It was all full of trash. That's the knot I had before. There's no way that came untied. Okay, let's go. Tana. Glove up. So who loves Mamba How?
Me.
We'll be out of here in a minute. Got a little bit of a cleanup. Get your gloves on. Here, bottles. A lot of trash to pick up here and make it look nice.
Boy, batasan. Boy, batasan.
Here's another sack. All right, salamat guys. Yeah, it gets a little thick. We need I'll see if I can make a trash bag holder for here. You gotta dig the china there. There's quite a pile. He's good. I think we ought to hire him. How are we doing? Look at it all. Captain, you're the detail girl.
Baka mga guys, extra sack ako siya.
Extra sack. Okay, let's consolidate. Let's bring those sacks down here for pickup. Be brave. Nobody else is but you guys. Show some love for Camigin and Mamba How. Well, that's 100% better. They got a trash bag up now. Other cell phone here too for the picture. So, who's Giko Tom now?
Me, all of them.
Where should we go? No, how about if we just go to Jollibee?
Jollibee.
Jollibee, okay? Okay. It's a little bit exciting. Ready, what number are we?
10:31.
10:31. Coffee's mine. Everybody got their food? I think so. Food's almost done. Well, you got a big piece of chicken there. You guys all got chicken legs. Jen's got a big piece. But you got the big piece of chicken. So everybody's done? All aboard. Okay, everybody listen up. This is our meeting before I leave. You guys can basically do the cleanups on your own. You know what you're doing. You only clean from Sapon Village to like Coke Canal Kaboom. Weather like this, like yesterday, don't go cleaning. You know, just do your own thing. Take the day off. You can. It's okay to take a Saturday off. So, okay, let's go home. And we're home. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. See you in 2 months.